Tax season 2024 is right around the corner, and we have all of the updates that you need to know about. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. We are starting with the IRS online account enhancements. If you don't have an IRS online account, make sure you log in and create one, because with the 2024 tax season, you will be able to view your taxes owed and any payment history online, as well as schedule payments, request tax transcripts, view or apply for payment plans, see digital copies of IRS notices mailed out to you, view key data from your most recently filed tax returns, including your adjusted gross income, validate bank accounts, and save multiple accounts, eliminating the need to re-enter bank account information every time you make a payment. New enhancements that you can process yourself online by just creating an IRS online account. Next, we are moving on to avoid refund delays in the 2024 tax season by understanding refund time. The IRS is reminding you, the taxpayer, that many different factors can affect the timing of your refund after the IRS receives your 2023 tax return. Although the IRS issues most refunds in less than 21 days, the IRS cautions taxpayers not to rely on receiving your 2023 federal tax refund by a certain deadline, especially when making major purchases or paying bills. Some tax returns may require additional review and may take longer to process if the IRS systems detect a possible error, the return is missing information, or there is suspected identity theft or fraud. And you all know how this process goes, because some of you are still waiting on your 2022 tax refunds. Also, the IRS cannot issue refunds for people claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or Additional Child Tax Credit before mid-February. And the expected direct deposit date the IRS is sharing for those of you who are anticipating to claim the EITC or Additional Child Tax Credit, that direct deposit date is expected to be February 27, 2024. So make sure you write that down on your calendar. And that is if there are no other issues with your refund. Last quarter payments for 2023 is due January 16, 2024. Now make sure you gather all of your documents before filing your 2023 tax returns to avoid any delays. Make sure you have all of your year-end documents, like your W-2 from your employers, your 1099-K from your banks or other employers, 1099-K from third-party payment networks, forms 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation, Form 1099 miscellaneous for miscellaneous income, as well as Form 1099 INT for interest paid. You want to make sure you have all of your documents before you file your 2023 tax return, so you can get your refund timely. Remember, the IRS has delayed the new $600 rule. It will not take into effect for the 2024 tax season, but you are still obligated to report all income. And it states here the old amount still is in place. Taxpayers who receive over $20,000 or has more than 200 transactions in 2023 must still abide by that third party law. The IRS is planning for a new threshold of 5,000 for tax year 2024. So they are trying to get rid of the $600 rule and the $20,000 rule and find a balance in the middle of 5,000 for tax year 2024. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be updated when that new rule takes into effect. All right. There is no change to the taxability of income. All income, including from part-time work, side jobs, or the sale of goods, is still taxable. Taxpayers must report all income on their 2023 tax returns unless it's excluded by law. Whether you receive Form 1099-K or Form 1099 NEC or Form 1099 miscellaneous, all income must be reported. Don't get in trouble with Uncle Sam. Make sure you report your income. All right. Now moving on to understanding energy related credits. Taxpayers who bought a vehicle in 2023 should review the changes under the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 to see if you qualify for those credits. The credits for the new electrical vehicles purchased in 2022 or before, or the new clean vehicle credit purchase in 2023 or after. Taxpayers will need to provide the vehicle VIN and file Form 8936 qualified plug-in electric drive motor vehicle credit with your 2023 tax returns. Taxpayers who made energy improvements to their home, tax credits are available for a portion of those qualifying expenses. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 expanded the credit amounts and the types of qualifying expenses, and to claim that credit, you must file Form 5695, which is residential energy credits Part 2 with your 2023 tax returns. Now, finally, speed up those tax refunds by filing your 2023 tax returns and choosing the direct deposit option. The IRS is encouraging that to make sure you get your refund within that 21-day time frame. Those without a bank account can learn how to open an account by going to the FDIC insured bank website. All right. So make sure to share with us in the comments if you are excited for the 2024 tax season. Share in the comments, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more 2023 tax returns updates and breaking IRS news.